Number 1. Inca Tern. The Inca Tern is a small seabird native to the western coast of South America. Its most distinctive feature is its dark gray plumage, which is accented by a striking white mustache-like patch on its face. This unique marking has earned the bird the nickname Mustache bird or rockstar bird. The Inca Tern has a long, slender beak that curves downwards and is a bright red-orange color, making it a striking contrast against its dark feathers. The beak is also slightly hooked, allowing the bird to catch fish and small crustaceans in the water. Its wings are a dark gray color with a white patch on the tips, giving the bird a distinctive pattern when in flight. They have long, pointed tail feathers and short, stout legs with webbed feet for diving and swimming. Number 2. Three-Wattled bellbird. The three-wattled bellbird is a strikingly unique and distinct bird, known for its 3 characteristic wattles that dangle from its beak. Standing at approximately 30 centimeters tall, its appearance is impressive and intriguing. The bellbird has a large, rounded head with a short, thick beak that is black in color. Directly below the beak are 3 long, thin wattles that vary in length, with the middle one being the longest and most prominent. These fleshy wattles can reach up to 8 inches in length and are bright yellow-orange in color, adding a bold pop of color to its overall appearance. The body is compact and robust, covered in sleek black feathers that have a blue-green iridescent sheen in certain lighting. Its wings are short and rounded, making it an inefficient flyer, but excellent at hopping and gliding through the dense forests it inhabits. Number 3. White bellbird. The white bellbird is a large, plump bird with striking features. Its body is predominantly white, with a hint of light gray on its wings and tail feathers. The feathers on its head and back are slightly longer, creating a ruffled appearance. The most remarkable aspect of the white bellbird's appearance is its large, bulbous beak. The beak is a bright, creamy white color with a distinctive bell-like shape, hence the bird's name. It is also adorned with a few black spots, adding to the bird's unique appearance. The bird's large and rounded eyes are dark in color, providing a sharp contrast to its white plumage. It also has short, stout legs with strong, curved talons that are used for gripping branches and prey. Both male and female white bellbirds have similar physical features, but the male is slightly larger and more brightly colored. Thanks for watching.